dear students, hope you all are good and doing great at your home. Myself Diksha Rai, this is your subject teacher of computer from LPM Public School situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. So dear students, in your previous video, we have already learned about a lot of differences between computer and human and what is the uses of computer at the different places and types of computers and all. So dear student, today we are going to again revise your chapter number 4, that is handling a mouse and touchpad. What is the name of this chapter? That is handling a mouse and touchpad. So dear students, in your previous video your chapter have already completed, but still we are going to again revise this chapter once more. So dear student, before starting this chapter, I have some important topic for you. Like there are a lot of differences between humans and computer. Like a computer never gets tired, a human gets tired and needs rest. A computer works very fast, a human cannot work as fast as a computer. And a computer stores a lot of information, but a human can store a limited information. A computer never makes a mistake, but a human can make mistakes. Like a student, your next important topic, types of computers. As you know very well, there are a lot of types of computers like desktop computers, laptops, tablets and smartphones. So dear student, as you know very well, next we are going to discuss about the uses of computers at different places like schools. As you know, in your school we use computer like to teach and learn, to prepare timetables, questions paper and report cards. And your home, you also use the computer at your home like to draw and play games, to listen to music and watch videos, and offices to type, store and print official documents, banks, hospitals, shops and malls, airports and railway stations. So dear students, in your previous video we have already discussed about parts of computer. As you know very well, a computer has 4 main parts like monitor, CPU, keyboard and mouse. As you know very well, a monitor looks like a television. A monitor looks like a television and it can display both images and videos. A monitor also called a visual display unit, VDU. So dear student, do you know that what is the full form of VDU? It's visual display unit. So dear student, in your video we are going to again revise your chapter number 4, that is handling a mouse and touchpad. So dear student, now we are going to discuss about the first topic from your chapter, that is computer mouse. A mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. A mouse has 2 buttons and a scroll wheel. They are called left button and right button. So dear student, the scroll wheel used to move a page up and down on the monitor. This is called scrolling. The mouse is also called a pointing device. So dear students, from your chapter, your next topic is types of mouse. A mouse uses either a ball or light for the movement of the mouse pointer. A mouse can be used for many things such as painting an item, selecting items, playing games and drawing and coloring. So dear student, now we are going to talk about types of mouse. Number first is ball mouse. This mouse uses a ball for the movement of the mouse pointer. The ball, rubber or metal. This ball is made from rubber and metal. is present on its underside, So dear student, on your page you can see it is the picture of mouse. There is situated left button and right button and a scrolling wheel. So dear student, please turn over the page. And now we are going to talk about second type of mouse, that is optical mouse. This mouse uses on LED light for the movement of mouse pointer. So dear student, now we are going to read about information box. A pad on which a mouse is kept is called mouse pad. So, dear students, now we are going to read about your next topic from your chapter, that is mouse actions. We are going to read about what is the actions of mouse. So, a mouse helps us to perform the following actions. A mouse helps us to perform the following actions. Number first is click, number second is double click, number third is right click, number 4 is drag and drop, and number 5 is scrolling. So dear student, now in your next topic we are going to read about again and again click, double click, right click, drag and drop, and scrolling. As you can see, it is indicate select icon. As you know very well, on your screen we can see there are situated a lot of icon. So dear student, now we are going to read about actions of mouse. Number first is click. A mouse makes a click sound when its left button is pressed. Clicking selects an item or any option on the desktop. So dear student, try the click action. Now we are going to do try the click action. Bring the pointer on any icon on the desktop and click on it once. So dear student, please turn over the page number 30. And now we are going to talk about your next topic, that is double click. Quickly pressing the left mouse button twice is called double click. If on your screen you are pressing double, that situation we can say that it is double click. Double clicking opens an item on the desktop. If you want to open an icon and on your screen, if you are pressing double click, then double clicking opens an item on the desktop. So dear student, now we are going to talk about try the double click action. Try the double click action. Place the pointer on the PC icon on the desktop and double click on it. The File Explorer windows opens. So dear student, as you can see, it is the double click action. Now we are going to talk about right click. Pressing the right mouse button once is called the right click action. Right clicking on any item opens a mouse of commands. Like if you are doing a right click, then open an option, open pin to quick access, manage, pin to start, map network drive, disconnect network drive, create shortcut, delete, rename, and properties. So dear student, please turn over the page, and now we are going to discuss about try the right click action. Bring the pointer over the PC icon and right click. A list of commands open. So dear student, in your chapter, your next topic is drag and drop. Dragging. Now we are going to discuss about a topic, that is dragging. Dragging means to move an item on the monitor while pressing the left mouse button. Dropping. Now we are going to read about dropping. Dropping means to place the dragged item in another place on the monitor. Drag and drop. So dear student, as you can see on your page, this PC we wants to dragging on another place like this PC. It's called drag and drop. So dear student, now we are going to talk about to do the activity of the try the drag and drop action. Like try the drag and drop action. Select the PC icon, drag the icon to another place on the desktop as you can see on your page. Now dear students, we are going to discuss about your next topic, that is scrolling. Scrolling means to move the page. Scrolling means to move the page up and down. If you want to do any page up and down, then you in this situation you can do scrolling. Scrolling means to move the page up and down. Scrolling action is done using the scroll wheel. I am using scroll wheel. So dear student, please turn over the page number 32. Now we are going to read about this topic. Moving the scroll wheel forward moves a page up, and moving the scroll wheel backward moves a page down. So dear student, now we are going to read about touchpad. That is touchpad. A touchpad is a flat touch sensitive surface on a laptop. It is an inbuilt pad that works like a mouse. It can sense the movements and tapping of the fingers. It is divided into three sections. Like number first is left click area. Left click area acts like a left mouse buttons. Now number second is, your second point is right click area. Right click area acts like a right mouse button. Now we are going to discuss about point number third, that is pointer controlling area is used for moving the pointer on the monitor. Now as you can see, it is pointer controlling area. And it is divided into three parts, number first, number second and number third. So dear student, it is pointer controlling area, left click area and right click area. So dear student, now we are going to read about information box. George A. Zerfid invented the first touchpad in 1988. Number second, the touchpad was first used in the PowerBook laptops of Apple computer in 1994. So dear student, from this topic your chapter has completed, and as you know very well, we read this chapter yesterday, but still we revised and explained this chapter once again because it is a very important chapter for you. So dear student, as you know very well, I have some important notes for you. So dear students, as you know very well, what is the importance of computer? Computers are now fact of life, as you know very well. Computers have created a very effective information system to help streamline the management of an organization. This makes it a much needed tool for every business, banking, government, entertainment, daily life, industry, education and administration. So dear student, as you know very well, this chapter is completed. This chapter has completed. In your next video, we will do the exercise of chapter number 4, and in your WhatsApp group I will send the exercise of chapter number 4. In your exercise we will do question number A, tick the correct answers, And question number B, fill in the blanks. And question number C, write T for true and F for false. I hope you will do all work very well and in a proper way. I hope you will be fine. Be careful and take care. Have a great day.